Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will discuss about the three-tier concept of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Basically, this is divided into three major parts. The tier 1 part is client part, the tier 2 part is application object server, AOS server, the third tier is database server. The client part, this tier 1, which means the client which will make all the request and response. The application object server which will accept all these requests and return back the response. If any database requirement is needed, then only it communicate with the database server. For example, if you are making a customer master, what we will do? We will open the customer master form and fill all the required fields, then click on the save button. Then once we click on the save button, which will send the request is sent to application server. So in this case, we need to save the data to the database. So application server communicate with the database server. It find the which table based on the business logic, which will execute and save the data to the database server, database table. Once it is saved, the response is returned back to the application server. Finally, it will to the response to the client. Okay, so this is a basic process what's happening inside the Dynamics 365. So as a beginner, you must learn just to make an idea about these things before starting the other concepts of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see the next video.